Welcome to CNC Library. Our main motto is to establish hybrid labs through talent and learning solutions. We are providing training, especially for shop floor employees. Our CNC train technologies includes robotics CNC, which includes turning and milling, automation. CNC Train Shop Floor Library provides various job role-based courses. CNC Setter and CNC Machinist, CNC Programmer and CNC Operator, PLC Programmer, Robotics Operator and Robotics Programmer. We deliver various effective features in our shop floor library course. They are e-learning module, map to NSQF model, self-paced, short-term course, self-graded assessment, based on industrial application, 3 technologies, completion certificate. In CNC Train Shop Floor Library we deliver interactive e-learning courses, built-in knowledge assessments, performance report, course completion certificate. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.